In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pixelate your final render using Blender's compositor nodes. This method is great for creating stylistic effects or simply reducing the complexity of your images. So let's dive right in and get started with this easy and creative process. First, you'll want to make sure you're in the compositing workspace. It's a dedicated area in Blender designed for working with your compositing nodes efficiently. Once you are there, ensure that you check the Use Nodes option. This step is crucial as it allows us to dive into the node-based editing and start working our magic on the image. Now, with Use Nodes activated, we're ready to start adding some essential nodes to achieve that unique pixelated look. You'll first need to introduce a scale node into your node setup. This node will help us adjust the size of our pixels and will be the first step in our node chain. Once added, set this scale node to a small value like 0.2. This initial downscale is what gives us that blocky, pixelated effect, as we're effectively reducing the image size before it's pixelated. Next, go ahead and add a pixelate node to further enhance that effect. The pixelate node ensures that the visualization holds that stubbornly rigid and blocky formation we associate with pixelated images. With this node in place, you'll notice that the image begins to lose its finer details, turning into a coarse version of the original. Following the pixelate node, add another scale node to the setup. This scale node will bring the image back up to its original render size, and you'll want to set it to 1.0 or match it to your render size. This scaling back up is important because it ensures that even though our image is pixelated, it fills the same dimensions as your original scene, keeping your compositions consistent. Now, it's time to connect everything up. Start by linking the render layer's output to the input of the first scale node. This connection pulls the render data into our pixelation setup. Each node should then connect sequentially, meaning the output of each node feeds into the next node's input, ending with the final scale node's output leading neatly into your output. And there you have it. By connecting these nodes in this order, render layers to scale, then pixelate, then back to scale for resizing to your original dimensions, you've successfully enabled your compositor to pixelate the final render. Experiment with different scale values for more dramatic or subtle pixel effects to suit your project's needs. It's a simple yet effective technique that offers versatility and creative freedom in your rendering process. Happy rendering!